Welcome and hello. This is a video tutorial on HEC DSSVue. This is the first lesson and it's a very short one. All I'm going to do is show how to download and install the program. Real quick, HEC DSSVue is a Java-based visual utilities program that allows the users to plot, tabulate, edit, and manipulate data in a HEC DSS database. When using HEC programs like HEC-ResSim, HEC-RAS, HEC-HMS, it's easy to move data around if we have a portable database system, which is what HEC DSSVue provides. All right, so over on the left, there's a menu page. I'm going to leave this URL link down in the description of this video, and this is the page to download HEC DSSVue. You can also just go do a Google search and type in HEC DSSVue, and it'll be this first hit. So here we are again, downloads, and then go ahead and click the download link and wait for that to download. Okay, it downloaded for me here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. Okay, I clicked on that icon, the camera turned off, we're back on now. There was a progress bar and now I see this page right here. And what it's just we got to click through a couple of these agreements and say I agree, next, and then agree to install the program at that location. Looks good. Next, create a desktop shortcut. This is sure, why not? And then install, and then just wait for a couple more progress bars to complete here. All right, looks like it was successfully installed. So I'm going to go ahead and click finish. Here's the installer file, don't need that. And now here is HEC DSSVue. I'm just going to run it from the desktop icon. And we are ready to go. HEC DSSVue is now downloaded and installed, and we're ready to go ahead and start getting to work. One more thing to mention is on this same page, just below the downloads link, there's a documentation link. And if you click the user's manual here, this is a online user's manual with the menus over on the left side. So just for a reference point, if you wanted to follow along and get background information on some of the things I'll be talking about in the upcoming lessons, all the details provided in the user's manual here.